cannot believe I found these at the Dollar Tree. When I saw these, I had to blink. I was like, wait, are they gonna start having bundles next? Like, where are we going with this, Dollar Tree? But I like the direction we're going. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. I'm going to be showing you some really great stuff that I got from the Dollar Tree for only, you guessed it, $1. So if you want to see what these things are, then stay tuned for the video. So before we get into the video, I just want to address a few things. If my voice sounds a little different, forgive me. That is because I have been sick for the past week or so. And if you guys don't know this, doctors and nurses are the worst patients, especially for me. When I'm sick, I become a complete baby. Thank God for my wonderful partner who took really great care of me, and now I am back to making these videos. So I realized that I haven't shot a video in a while, so I wanted to bring you guys some really cool stuff. It is fall time, and as I told you guys, I really love the Dollar Tree. And by the way, all my Dollar Tree hauls are not sponsored. I actually really do like the Dollar Tree, and everything you see in these videos are mine. I purchased them with my own money. I just really like their stuff, and I really like that it's budget friendly and any and everyone can afford it. So that is why I decided to start bringing you guys these videos, and I realized that you guys really like them and you keep asking for them. So that is why, again, I decided to bring you another one. So this video is actually going to be a fall Dollar Tree haul. So the Dollar Tree has put out their fall stuff and some Halloween stuff. So when I went in there, I got really excited, and I just decided to grab everything as much as I can because I am a big spender. I don't compromise when it comes to spending. I go all out. Only at the Dollar Tree though. Anywhere else, I only walk out with one thing. But anyways, I went in there, I grabbed a whole bunch of stuff that I would need for the fall, especially for the fall decor, and I just want to show you guys these things. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So speaking of fall, the first thing I want to show you guys are these sunflowers. I don't know if sunflowers are specific to summer or fall, but these have fall colors, so I just wanted to show you guys that. I thought these were really pretty. I love sunflowers. I recently took Nadia to see a like a sunflower farm, and it was so beautiful. We took some amazing pictures. Maybe I'll insert that somewhere here. And we got to pick some and bring them home, but as you know, they're flowers, they're gonna die. So when I went to the Dollar Tree and saw these, I got really excited, and I just picked out not too many, just 4. So there are like 2 orange ones and then 2 yellow ones. So just 4 of these. I'm gonna put these in a vase and just set them on my dining table because they are really pretty. So going in that line, the next thing I want to show you guys is this wreath right here. So these again are fall colors, so they're like fall leaves. I really like these because they're almost like fire. Like when you think of fire, these are the colors you think about. And when you also think of fall, these are the colors you think about. So what I want to do is I want to do a DIY project with this. So these only come in the line like that. So you can do, basically you can do whatever you want with them. So I'm going to do a DIY project, and I'll show you guys the other piece to this in a minute. So next on the list are these beautiful wreaths right here. These are legit wreaths, y'all. These are so pretty. So as I was telling you guys, these only come like this. So I'm gonna use one of these, wrap this around this to make a DIY wreath for my door, because this is too plain and this is not really a wreath. You get what I'm saying? So I'm gonna use this plus this and a glue gun and make a wreath for my door. So I think this is going to be really pretty. And then the second thing I'm going to do with these is I'm going to do another DIY in Nadia's bedroom. So Nadia's bedroom right now, where her crib is, she has like a lot of flowers on the wall, and I just want to change that because I've been looking at it for a while and I'm kind of over the flower thing, because when I was pregnant I was really like into flowers and this and that, and I still am, but just because I put it on the wall, every time I walk in there I have to see it, and I just feel like it's a little too much. So I'm gonna take all of that off and then kind of position these on the walls and then maybe put a few flowers. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet, but it's definitely going to be a DIY project. Next on the list, this is actually part of the Halloween collection, but when I decorate for fall, I don't really count Halloween because I don't really like the scary decor and stuff like that. I just like the pretty side of Halloween. But this basket I thought was really, really cute. It has some spider details on it. I don't know if you can see it. There's like little spiders right there. That's a spider. This is made out of rubber, so it's really strong and it's really sturdy. And I thought this was perfect because you can use this for candies, you can use this for your candle, you can use this for a whole bunch of stuff, like any kind of knickknack you have laying around, you can put it in here. But I'm actually going to use this for another purpose, and I'll show you that in a minute. Next on the list is this cute little pumpkin. Oh my god, look how cute this is. It's a cute little pumpkin with some whatever this is and a flower on top of it. So this is really cute because you don't really have to do anything with it. A lot of times when I get stuff from the Dollar Tree for decor especially, sometimes you have to do a lot with it. You have to do a DIY or do this and do that. But this, you don't really have to do much to. You can literally just set it down and it looks pretty. So this is going to go either on my TV stand in the living room or somewhere. But this is really, really cute. So before I forget, I was telling you guys about the wreath that I was gonna make as a DIY. So this thing is the little door hanger that your wreaths go on. So this part right here, I don't know if you guys can see it. That part right there goes on top of the door. And then this part is where you hang your wreath. So like this. So it goes like that. The reason I got it in this color is just to stick with the fall colors. So once I make my DIY wreath, it's going to look something similar to this. Not completely the same, but something similar to this. That way it's going to match everything. So that is what this is for. So next on the list are these cute little pumpkins. Oh my god, these are super cute. These ones look like these, and then these ones look like these. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them in my little basket like so and set these in my kitchen. How perfect. I always have a basket of fruit in my kitchen, and the basket actually kind of looks like this. I'm still gonna have my fruits there, but I'll have it somewhere else, and then I'm just gonna set this there for now. Next on the list are these cute little shelves. So these shelves, they have them at the Dollar Tree. They come in black and white. I decided to get the white one because I'm going to use this in baby Nadia's room. I'm going to do another DIY project with these. I don't know if you guys have seen things like these before, but I'm just going to make them asymmetrical on the wall. I got 4 of them, and I'm just going to stack these on the wall and then maybe set cute little flowers here. So this paper actually comes out and the back stays open. So I'm going to use these. I got 4 of these. I'm going to use these as another DIY project. Maybe I should do a DIY video. Anyways, next on the list for my favorite Halloween find is this right here. You can't really see it, but it is a box and a sign that says Happy Halloween, and it lights up as well. So you can't really see it, as I said, but at night when you turn on the switch, it says Happy Halloween and it glows, and it's really, really pretty in the dark. Because as I told you guys, I'm not really into Halloween decor, so this is probably as far as I'm going to go with this. Again, this might go on my TV stand or on my coffee table, but I just thought it was really, really cute. I cannot believe I found these at the Dollar Tree. When I saw these, I had to blink. I was like, wait, I could not believe it. The Dollar Tree actually has 3D mink lashes. Like, oh my god. Are they gonna start having bundles next? Like, where are we going with this, Dollar Tree? But I like the direction we're going. Like, I was really excited. And trust me, I know mink lashes, and these are the real deal. Like, I got so excited. I mean, I got a whole bunch. I couldn't believe it. People pay a lot of money for these, so I was just so excited to find these there, and I hope they continue to have them. These are my second favorite finds. Last but not least on the list are these Halloween nails. Let me show you guys what these look like. I'm not sure if you can see these, but these are green nails. They're supposed to be Halloween nails. And then these are black and burgundy. So these nails are by LA Color. You guys already know what I use these for. If I don't have money to go do my nails, these work perfectly fine because all you have to do is get the super glue from the Dollar Tree, put these on, and you can literally have these for sometimes a whole week. But if you use your hands or wash your hands a lot, then maybe 2 to 3 days. But these work just fine, and the fact that they have the Halloween kind or the fall kind, I was super excited, so I got 2 of them. So I will definitely be rocking these. Okay guys, that is it for this haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, I apologize for my voice and I apologize for not being too excited throughout this haul. I'm still a little bit under the weather, but I'm trying not to get too behind with my videos. So that is why I kind of forced myself to do this video. So I hope you guys appreciate it because I love you guys and I want to keep these videos coming for you guys because I know you guys like them as well. So thank you guys so much. If you did like the video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and also hit the bell notification button so that way you'll never miss another video from me again. Also, please guys, please share the video. We are growing and we are getting bigger, so please continue to share the videos so that everyone can see them. Thank you guys again so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.